Hello, this is Pen from ArtPen Studio. Today I'm going to show you how to fix a clock's hand has become loosened. As you can see, this clock's hand right here has become loosened and has no tension. So we're going to take out the battery, set it aside. Place the clock on a smooth surface. And what you're going to do is simply use the middle part and press it down firmly but gently. With a little push, the hand will now be in tension with the clock's movement. So now when we pick it up and use the dial here to adjust, you can see now the clock's hand is back in good tension. What we are going to do next is bring the hands back to the 12 o'clock position. And we can see here the hands are misaligned. What we are going to do next is give a gentle push on the hands to bring both hands back at the position of 12 o'clock. And the clock is now fixed with the hands in tension and hands aligned at 12 o'clock. We can now go ahead, replace the battery, and use the dial to adjust the time to what time it is now. Hope this video will help you troubleshoot some of your issues with the clock's hands, and thank you for supporting ArtPen Studio.